Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install an Envato Template Kit in WordPress. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your WordPress account. And then in a new tab, go ahead and type down envato.com/lp/market-plugin. Alright, again, envato.com/lp/market-plugin. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you don't have to log in. Just basically click on download the latest version right here. So this one is our template kit. And once that's downloaded, you can now go back to WordPress right here and find in the left panel, you'll have plugins. All right. So just click on plugins. And then at the very top, you have the upload button. Okay. Again, at the top right, you have the upload button. Just click on it. Now you could click on this box right here or just basically drag and drop. But you won't be able to drag and drop if you're just using the free version of WordPress. Make sure that your account is upgraded. So once that's done, all you got to do is just click on install right here, follow the basic prompts, and after that, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to install an Envato Template Kit in WordPress. And by the way, you'll be able to see Envato right here in the left-hand side. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.